So that's pretty much it. The battery is completely stripped of all its modules, which I've got over there lined up for testing and underway. I've got a pot here with all the bolts for the bus bars and BMS sensors, another pot with all of the other bolts. So yeah, everything, brackets, bolts, cables, the lot. The only thing that's out of this is the modules, and this is why I prepared the lid earlier, because now that I've got to this stage, I can just pop the lid back on, bolt it down half tight. It will seal up on this tape that I've put on. It's so cold at the moment that the tape has only expanded a little bit on the bits that were compressed. You can see that the bit that hasn't been compressed in the box is beautifully expanded, so that's all good. So yeah, I'll pop the top back on and I'll add it to my price list ready for someone to come and buy it. I'll put a link to the price list in the description. Again, if it's not there, please send me a message and I'll jog my memory to do it. The link is permanently live, so whenever you look at the link, it will show you the exact stock and the current prices for everything, so all good.